Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to get a new IP address location on NordVPN. So first, let me know what is a dedicated IP. So in here it says in a traditional sense, a dedicated IP is a static IP address assigned to a single website hosting account, which means no one else can use it. But there's also a dedicated IP that you can get on top of your VPN subscription. In this case, a VPN encrypts your connection, routes it through a remote server, and assigns you an IP address that isn't shared with other users. So, how can we get a dedicated IP address? So, step number one, select a NordVPN plan. So, we're gonna go to the pricing page and choose our dedicated plan. So, step number two is add our dedicated IP address. So, all you gotta do is click add and next to the dedicated IP at the checkout. Step number three, it's the step where you can complete the payment. So get a NordVPN subscription with a dedicated IP. And the last step is to select our dedicated IP location. So pick our country for our dedicated IP. And that's it.